Hi, what's up guys? It is crazy that every guru wants us to buy their course. So in this video, I'm going to do a review on Kevin David's Facebook ad masterclass. If you're thinking about buying a Facebook marketing course, this review is for you. First of all, do we need a Facebook ad course? If you're an entrepreneur like myself, want to fast track the success, 100%. Mastering the skill of a Facebook marketing should be a prerequisite before we take on other business ventures. If you're already on those platforms, Amazon, Shopify, ClickFunnels, you know how hard it is to drive traffic and convert customers. Yes, there are 2 billion users on Facebook. And yes, our perfect customers are on Facebook. But if we don't know how to use Facebook ad to mine them out, like mining gold, the pure gold out of a mine, then we're doomed. Either we get stuck with the business or we waste more money on Facebook ad. The Facebook ad marketing course is the one investment we need to make into ourselves to get the lifetime skills we need to open more doors for revenues and incomes we need. This is irregardless whether you wanted to buy Kevin David's course or someone else's course. So let's talk about Kevin David Facebook ad masterclass course. Is it worth it? If you cannot tell by my accent, I'm a Chinese. When it comes down to spend money on anything, let's just say I'm very Chinese. You have to convince me with the value. When we buy a course, we're not only buying the course content, we're buying the access to the teacher and his student groups. I have Kevin David's course. I can honestly tell you that Kevin David is insanely knowledgeable and super accessible as a teacher. You can ask him questions at any time, he will answer. And his student group is so well run. Not only he himself answer the questions, he has assistants and super knowledgeable people pre-plugged into the group so every student is helped. Honestly, I am so relieved that I have this Facebook ad course because I'm burning money on the Facebook ad. I don't even know how to fix it. Since I got the course, I'm going to take you inside to show you the course contents. But let me point out first, guys, this course is crazy in depth. If you know nothing about Facebook ad, perfect. It's starts from vocabulary level. And if you already have some of the Facebook ad skills, even better because you will appreciate more of the valuable content in each module. Guys, Kevin David has built a multi-million dollar business. He knows how to use every single Facebook ad dollar to return 10, 15 times back to him. We got to learn. This course has some crazy pixel strategies. And my favorite moment is when I open Facebook ad vault that I get to see pre-written killer ads that converts like crazy. Let's take a look. Hey guys, I'm logged into my Ninja Masterclass Facebook Ads Blue Classroom. Blue Ninja is the secret code to get into the classroom. You will know what I mean by that in a minute. So before I show you the contents in each module, let me just show you very quickly how beautifully this course is presented to us. In each module, not only we have many recorded lessons, we also have a companion resource book for each module. As you can see, I already have the module 1, 2, 3, 4 downloaded, and they're so detailed. It's so step by step. I really appreciate that because when I watch the video, I don't have to take notes like crazy. If you get the course, I think it's going to be very helpful for you too. So let me show you some of the module content. The module 1, Understanding Facebook Ads, Vocabulary, and Ninja Pixel Strategy. This module has all the foundational knowledge we must have in order to become a Facebook ad expert. It starts from Facebook lingo. And it teaches how the Facebook ad works. After we get a grip of what it is and how that works, and that's when Kevin started to introduce that powerful Ninja Pixel strategy. The resource book is so helpful. It is so detailed and it has step-by-step instruction on how to set up the page settings buttons. I found so many mistakes in my page settings. I immediately corrected. Guys, to become an expert of anything, we must get the foundational knowledge right. And this chapter is going to teach us all of that. The module 2 is like watching a master in action. Every single video in this module is pure gold. If you're a retailer, Amazon, Shopify seller, get this course. The module 2 alone will worth your money. In this module, Kevin is going to teach us how to take our Facebook pixel strategy to all major platforms and let it go work for us. The ad cycles, the traffic, the engagement, the conversion, the automation. Oh my God, every single video has a ninja edge to it. After I watched this module 2, I am truly convinced that a complete beginner could become a Facebook ad ninja. The module 3 and 4 are so much fun. When I studied these two modules, how to create a super targeted audience, how to create the super targeted lookalike audience, and in the module 4, how to create the killer ad copies to convert like crazy. When I click on this, I see Ninja Ad Vault. For the first time, I see the world-class ad copies that convert like crazy. This is Kevin's collection. I'm not going to click on this. You have to sign up the course yourself to have fun and open it. But when I study this course, the module 3 and 4, I have the most fun. So many tricks and so many hacks. I'm sure when you sign up the course, you're going to have a good time studying the module 3 and 4 too. The module 5 is the choose module. Yes or no, can we make money with this course? You know, guys, in this module 5 is where the true entrepreneurs will get excited. Kevin David is all about freeing people from the 9-to-6 grind by providing us with the tools to claim our freedom. So in this module, he's really holding hands on each single step to help us start our own Facebook ad agency. He even shared his exact phone and email template to help us to get the first client in the first 24 hours. So this module is really a truth and freedom module. I'm so excited. I'm already getting my strategy for my first 4 yeses. He's teaching so much on how we can make tons of money by bridging the gap between our local business and the online marketing platforms. I'm so excited to get started. The module 6 is the millionaire secret, optimization and scale up. Guys, if we don't understand the concept of the scaling up, we will be permanently stuck at the beginner level, no matter what business we take on. Kevin David is the king of scaling up. He wants us to understand the concept. We're not just learning to spend $5 a day to make $50. We need to learn how to spend $500 a day to make $5,000 because that's the difference of scaling up. So he dedicated almost 30 videos in the module 6 to teach us the art of retargeting, split testing, optimization, every single trick, hack, and skills we need to help us to scale up our business. It is so cool to learn from the best. You get the idea, right, guys? This course takes us from the vocabulary level all the way, step by step, to scale up our business. And the photos module is going to cover the Instagram, the Tripwire, and the Messenger bots. It's value-packed. I truly appreciate the quality contents. It's helping me transforming my business, and it's opening a door for me to make more money. You see how in-depth this course is. Seriously, devil is in the details. In this case, money is in the details. Kevin David worked at the Facebook before. He runs Facebook ads for his multi-million-dollar business. His one single free Facebook ad video outranked all the other gurus' videos. You see, this course is way superior than any other Facebook ad course in the market. Now is the Chinese moment. How much? The course is priced at $1,997, but if you use the promotional code Blue Ninja right now, we'll get $1,000 off. $997. Now I like it. To me, $9.97 is a sure bet. I will take the course, create a side hustle immediately. Everybody else is charging $1,000 monthly retainer to do the Facebook ad for the business. I'll charge $250. In 4 months, I'll break even and become Facebook ad expert. If you're thinking what I'm thinking, check out the course link below. You get 14 days money back guarantee. Or if you have more time, you can listen in Kevin's Facebook ad webinar. It was totally cool and fun. So guys, I only wanted to vouch what I truly believe. I truly believe that Facebook advertisement skill is a one investment we must invest into ourselves to open more doors for revenue and income. Kevin David Facebook ad course so far is the best in the market. I hope you become a blue ninja, and I'll see you in one of his meetup trips.